Unraveling the Mystery. Past continuous passive in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of intermediate English grammar and exploring a very specific topic, the past continuous passive. It's not as intimidating as it sounds, and I'm here to guide you through it. So, let's get started. The past continuous passive, as the name suggests, combines two aspects: the past continuous tense and the passive voice. The past continuous passive is used to talk about actions that were happening continuously in the past and were performed on the subject, not by the subject. Now, how do we form this tense? We use was, were, plus the past participle of the main verb. The past participle is usually formed by adding ed to the end of regular verbs. For irregular verbs, you might need to memorize the past participle form. For example, the house was being painted by him. Here, the action of painting was continuously happening in the past, and it was performed on the subject, house. Now that we know how to form this tense, let's delve into when to use it. We use the past continuous passive in three main situations. 1. To talk about an ongoing action in the past that was interrupted. Example: the cookies were being baked when the power went out. 2. To describe a scene or setting in the past. Example: when we arrived, dinner was being served. 3. When we want to emphasize the action, not the person who performed it. Example: the mural was being painted all day yesterday. Remember, use this tense when the focus is more on the action and less on who is doing it. Let's practice what we've learned. I'll give you some sentences in active voice, and you can practice converting them into past continuous passive. 1. He was washing the car. 2. They were singing the song. 3. The teacher was explaining the lesson. Take your time, and when you're ready, check your answers below. 1. The car was being washed by him. 2. The song was being sung by them. 3. The lesson was being explained by the teacher. Great job, everyone! Remember, practice is key when mastering any new grammar topic. And that wraps up our lesson on the past continuous passive. I hope this video has made this grammar point clearer for you. Remember to practice using it in your conversations and writing. It might seem tricky at first, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Thanks for tuning in, and keep learning.